Introducing the VHX-X, KEYENCE's latest all-in-one digital microscope, a versatile tool designed to meet the needs of every industry. Compared to our previous models, we've significantly enhanced the expandability and flexibility of the VHX series, enabling users to effortlessly perform advanced inspection and analysis all within a single unit. KEYENCE's microscopes have been adopted by more than 20,000 companies worldwide. In the electronics industry, when analyzing circuit boards, the VHX enables high-resolution 4K observation with 2 and 3D analysis capabilities. With its 20 times larger depth of field, the VHX ensures clear visibility, leaving no detail overlooked. With our larger stage, entire wafers can be inspected and analyzed automatically. Automatic image stitching is also possible thanks to ultra-high speed and precise movements. When it comes to an uneven surface of the target, the VHX lens will automatically adjust focus in real time, eliminating the need for manual focus adjustment. So what are your thoughts? As we just saw, KEYENCE's VHX microscope excels in intuitively performing comprehensive analysis, making it indispensable across industries. As a leader in global innovation, KEYENCE remains dedicated to pursuing the advancement of microscope technology to bring innovation to your business.